everyone. My name is Einav Silverman, and I'm a PM manager on the project and planner team. In today's talk, I'll be sharing an overview of Microsoft Project and share some of the new and exciting updates in the project space. A couple of weeks ago, my team and I started to do some prep work for a project we're about to kick off. We've been having some conversations in various Teams chats to discuss the prep work that needs to happen, identifying some work that team members would need to follow up on. That led to a series of prep meetings to discuss open issues we need to resolve to unblock the project work. And after every meeting, we'd send out meeting notes with a list of follow-ups that team members needed to resolve. Some of the prep work involved creating documentation of the requirements, which led to additional collaboration and tasks captured in the document itself. At this point, there were multiple locations where we were tracking tasks for the project. More team members joined the efforts, and in different time zones. We identified more blocking issues and dependencies between team members' work, and it seemed like folks were generally making progress, but it was tough to tell whether we're on track to complete the work by our deadlines and whether we're missing anything. This is always that critical point of teamwork where it's clear we need to use Project to help us get organized and increase our level of control and confidence in delivering on our goals and on time. This is a common challenge we often hear from customers. A common pain point we frequently hear from teams is that they often feel like they're spending a lot of time managing work instead of doing work. 85% of project teams work in multiple locations and often in different countries and sometimes different time zones. 92% cite the lack of visibility and inefficient processes as the top two challenges managing projects. And remote work is becoming part of the norm, with people and companies shifting to hybrid work and 73% wanting more flexible remote work options. These work trends make it harder for teams to collaborate in real time and drive the need for more asynchronous collaborative tools that help teams stay aligned and connected and have shared visibility into the overall progress. These challenges are top of mind for us at Microsoft, and we aim to help teams deliver top results through best-in-class tools for managing projects. We recognize that there is often a mix of users in the organization with various needs around managing projects, and therefore we offer two products in this category, Planner and Project. For teams that are looking to do lightweight coordination of group work and get started with a basic experience, Microsoft Planner is available as part of the Microsoft 365 subscription and offer a basic way of creating plans, assigning tasks, keeping track of teamwork in a central way. Microsoft Project is available as an upgrade, offering the same simple, modern, lightweight, and intuitive experience as Planner, but with additional enhancements giving teams more control over their projects, managing projects at scale, visualizing the timeline of the work, managing dependencies, adding custom fields, custom reporting, and more. We want to make it easy as possible for users and organizations to try out Microsoft Project when you're looking for more enhanced capabilities that go beyond Planner. Users can try out Project for free today through free trials, and we're continuing to roll out more updates to make it even easier to get started with Microsoft Project. It's been exciting to see the level of adoption of Project and Planner. In a recent CIO survey, Microsoft's offerings were listed as the most popular work management tools. And we're continuing to see significant growth in the number of users leveraging Project and Planner to manage their teamwork. And it's a #1 tab created in Teams channels as part of the tightly integrated experience in Teams. One of the newer offerings we introduced in recent years is Microsoft Project for the Web, and there are several key benefits to highlight there. Project for the Web offers you a modern and simple experience to manage your teamwork. It's built on the powerful and robust project scheduling engine with more than 30 years of investment in it. It's deeply integrated with Microsoft 365 workloads, including a built-in experience in Teams and a configurable and extensible integration with Power Apps. And last but not least, we live by the standards and practices designed to earn your confidence and trust And with Project, you're getting a product that is built on Microsoft Trusted Cloud, which supports your compliance and governance needs. From talking to customers, it's been exciting to hear the level of impact that Microsoft Project has on their organization's teamwork and projects. Sean, a senior project manager at Ontic, stated how Project for the Web helps their initiative owners focus more on delivering of the work itself rather than managing the system. Ronald, a group information manager at Climate for Life, shared how Project increased their team's overall output and helped them collaborate across company and deliver results. And Kurt, Assistant Vice President for Planning and Value Creation at Southern New Hampshire University, shared how Project's ease of use helps coordinate their efforts with departments. So let's take a tour of Project for the Web. I'll be showing some of the highlights for how you can use Project for the Web to manage your team's work and deliver better results. And in this demo, I'll also be sharing some of the latest exciting developments, including the enhancements we recently introduced, as well as a sneak peek to some of the new capabilities we're currently working on and will be rolling out soon. I've created a project for my team so we can organize and track our work in prep for an upcoming product launch. I'll go ahead and open that project here from the home page. The grid view provides an easy way to scan the list of tasks for the project and add new tasks to the list, make quick updates to the tasks, and review the overall progress of the work. For each of the tasks, I can easily assign to specific people, set the due date, duration, attachments, dependencies, and more. We've also added several new capabilities for tracking the work within tasks. We recently added checklists, making it super easy to break down tasks into specific steps and track progress in more details. As I add or update the checklist items, I have this visual indicator that gives me a quick look at the overall progress. Another enhancement we just delivered is the ability to set labels for tasks to easily organize tasks by specific areas or categories. We offer a set of 25 labels with various colors that you can use and organize the work. I'll go ahead and set this particular task to planning. Another addition we're currently working on and will be delivering soon is priority field. You'll now be able to set a priority for each of the tasks in the project, making it easier to track the relative prioritization of your work. I'll set this particular task to urgent, given the overall importance of it. The nice thing about the grid view is that you can easily customize the view and select the columns you'd like to see in the list. For example, I can easily add the priority field to quickly scan through the list and review progress of the urgent and high priority work. I can also filter the list for tasks with specific labels and view the status of all tasks related to planning as an example. One of the popular capabilities in Project is custom columns. Often there are specific elements of the project that we need to track consistently across all the tasks, and that requires adding some custom columns for tracking. For example, I need to track the overall risk for all the tasks in this project, and I'd like for each task owner to set the risk level as part of their status updates. So I'll go ahead and create a new field, name it risk, and set up 3 options: high, medium, and low. One of the recent enhancements we introduced is the ability to color code these options as well for a quick visual indicator of the status. So I'll go ahead and set high to red, medium to yellow, and low to green. Then I can easily walk through the tasks with my team and set the risk field based on their updates. Next, let's take a look at the project in the board view. My team and I often meet to check in on status, and we find it super helpful to review the project board together. It's a visual representation of the work that offers a fun and interactive way to keep track and organize the teamwork. As you can see, My project is organized in buckets based on locations. If I want to shift one of these tasks from Seattle, I can easily drag and drop to the appropriate bucket. I can also easily drag and drop items within the bucket to stack rank the items by priority. Another advantage of this view is the ability to group by various fields. For example, when my team and I meet, we like to review the work grouping by assignment, making it easy to quickly view how we're doing as a team, whether we need to balance the load. Another nice part of this view is that I can easily see which tasks aren't assigned to anyone, and in a very quick way, drag and drop the appropriate task to a specific person to tackle the work. Grouping by finish date is another useful view that enables my team to organize work by when it's due and quickly view what work is past due and what work is up next. One of the most popular features in Project is the timeline view. Backed by the powerful scheduling engine of Project, this view enables the team to get a sense of when we think work will get done, based on the work start date, duration, dependencies, assignments, and more. Within this view, I can see where things are at on the timeline and if I need to make any adjustments. For example, if I'd like to change the order of assignments, I can change the dependencies right from within the timeline. Or if I know a task is going to take longer, I can update the duration. Another powerful feature within Project is the ability to view a collection of work across multiple projects in a single view called Roadmap. In this example, I created a roadmap to track the work that needs to get done for a V1 product launch, which includes work captured in the engineering project and marketing project. I can choose the specific tasks from these projects that I want to track in this unified view, giving the flexibility I need to focus on the key parts I care about for this roadmap. As you can see, the roadmap view has a similar visual timeline display, making it easy to see where the work lands on the schedule. And using the roadmap view, I can then add specific key dates I need to track, such as private preview, public preview, and major conference demos, to ensure that the work we need to get done for those milestones are on track. And I can also color code these items based on their status. I now need to start a new project to manage the work for onboarding new team members. One of the top asks we often hear from customers is the need for having some example templates that can help users get started on a project. We're excited to share that we'll be shipping the first set of templates in Project for the Web soon, providing a quick way to create a structured project pre-populated with sample tasks that can give you some ideas of how to best structure your project. I'll go ahead and select Employee Onboarding. Once I create, I get some useful sample tasks to give me some ideas of what I'd like to track as part of this onboarding effort for my new team members. And from here, I can assign these tasks to individuals, set some due dates, delete tasks I don't need, modify tasks, set some labels, priorities, checklists, and more. One of the popular ways of using Project is within Teams itself. Since that's the location where teams are communicating, connecting, and collaborating on work, it's a great place to surface projects to make it super easy to review our progress as a team and have all of our related conversations in a single location without having to switch between multiple windows and apps. As you can see here, this is my Teams channel where we're often connecting and discussing work. To add our team project to this channel, I simply select the plus button, choose project, and then I can either start a new project and select an existing one, such as event planning. It then loads the project view directly within the channel, making it possible to view progress in context. Now, to take that a step further, one of the recent enhancements we introduced is the ability to have conversations on specific tasks in the project. For example, I have a follow-up question for Alan on the task he's working on, so I can open the chat window within the task and easily @mention Alan right from here. And since this is built-in Teams chat experience, I can add emojis, GIFs, rich text, attachments, and all the chat capabilities you're used to having in Teams. There are a lot of new developments in Project for the Web that we can't wait for you to try out and share your feedback. And there are more exciting updates to share. We recently rolled out Project for the Web to the GCC environment, and we're continuing to roll out frequent and incremental enhancements to the user experience, including the ability to copy and paste tasks. In addition, we have several exciting new capabilities that are in progress and address the top feedback items we receive from our customers. Soon you'll be able to collaborate on a project with Microsoft 365 users, and without requiring a project license, they'll be able to update and edit their assigned tasks in project. In addition, we'll be delivering an update that enables guest users to participate and access projects. And we're also working on enabling users to easily view all the tasks that are assigned to them in a single view. We have many more exciting enhancements underway, including people workload view, task history, charts, sprints, accelerator improvements, and more. For a deeper look at some of these areas in Project, check out some of the other sessions, including collaboration and scheduling in Microsoft Project, managing people and resources in Microsoft Project, accelerate projects while maintaining PMO governance. It's easy to get started by going to project.microsoft.com. Your feedback helps shape our product, and we'd love to hear from you. You can easily share your thoughts and asks through our feedback portal. And in addition, we're continuing to roll out updates on our plans, and if you'd like to keep track of what's coming to Project, follow our roadmap and blog for more information. Thank you all for watching.